All right, we want to simplify this as much as possible. So we can see that we have 4w times 2x cubed times 3w to the 8th x to the 5th. So if I'm looking at this, I can see I have two numbers, 4 and 2. I've got w and w right here, and then with x's, I've got an x right here and an x right there. So I'm just going to combine those. Oop, I also have the number 3. This means that I'm going to go 4 times 2 times 3. Then I'm going to go w times w to the 8th times x cubed times x to the 5th, like this. So 4 times 2 times 3 gets me 24. W times w to the 8th, I can add the exponents on top. Remember, if there's nothing there, that means there's an invisible 1. So I have w to the 9th, and then this becomes x to the 8th. And this is it simplified all the way. So I go 24 w to the 9th, x to the 8th, which you can check. Okay. So doing this again, I see that I have 6y to the 5th times 2u times 4u squared y to the 3rd. So I see I have 6, 2, 4. As far as y's go, I have y to the 5th and y cubed. And as far as u's go, I have 1u right here and then another 2 right there. So to simplify this out, I have 6 times 2 times 4. Then I have y to the 5th times y cubed, and I've got u times u squared. Simplified out, I can see 6 times 2 times 4 is 48. Then y to the 5th times y to the 3rd, I add the exponents together to get y to the 8th. And then u times u squared, remember there's the invisible 1 right there, so 1 plus 2 gets me u cubed. So I'm going to go ahead and write 48. Y to the 8th, and then u to the 3rd, which we can check. All right, and doing this one last time, I can see that I have got 3y times 3w to the 9th times 3y to the 6th times w to the 9th. So I've got 3, 3, and 3. I have y and y to the 6th, and I have w to the 9th and w to the 9th. Putting them together, I have 3 times 3 times 3. Then I've got y times y to the 6th, and then I've got w to the 9th times w to the 9th. Simplifying this, I get 27. Remember, there's an invisible 1 right here, so 1 plus 6 is 7, so I get y to the 7th. Then I go 9 plus 9, so I get w to the 18th. So that means I'm going to go 27, y to the 7th, and then w to the 18th, which we can check. Okay, and that's how we can use the product rule to simplify expressions.